Alle kustje vreslig jou en tuske geriar Zijn er reynweg toka is lurat die moat Oven rudig dunje jou gaan jen smuts no straat Gedacht, het första mjölk van årsbegynne tag Af jag en annan channes när hela den fjälliga Af varsin halets kommer Kines hanje kinar dan Stamme John, tamme just Hanada Rankat via gigan is a goody doll of cheese Lene her shum you can bar Hallo dunje hashin am kamachiel Bob Dylan so ha mi dol a korchug Gebele keer fiche blonne goos en ju Bob Dylan agus neachciúil uamas ó chéin inimal stocha an gestocha gun teú sé an séine neach scríbhí áin bear a bheith riamhán an canan san bí ach gahara sa béirla neanna a chair bhí réad a hengacha fiog an thuúil an an imime canan agus thuúil me sin go begus snog a bhí a torscaibh becin in idirhengi chéan a ha ann is a Gaelic bhó Bob agus bhór ach iad scríbig le fér Rody Gorman barst noch ha mé rúper cáris haar na blionichen nu was nog geen gasten agus wel een guchte wie lief barst toch ik Rody maar ja het eer Facebook hij was nog geen gasten so just to be thank for everybody it's Dylan's 80th birthday day and I thought I would bring you through a few of the translations and that of Dylan in Gaelic. Of course, ma jou ha do also geen ma I thought everything in Dylan in my canon. Lots of ones. There's a really good set of I can't remember their name, but there's good ones. If you look on your Tidal or your Spotify, you'll find some people from Sweden doing a really nice version of Boots of Spanish Leather in Alan Swedish in Swedish, but it's like Nidivi had come out jail Leonard Cohen. It's kind of think Dylan and Cohen appeal to the Loch sensibility, so maybe that's where we get from. Anyway, Q Hosh min Henley Suas mun knock fare along the watchtower. Now we all hit should be your Zack Snyder's Watchmen icon. That's sure should not be the way that you know that song, but also Ryan Jimi Hendrix agus agama first week. So Rudash January just begging me and Dylan son and kind of what you agus shin either hang around Rody Gorman is it gaf malishgal a bit lazy. Just I'm all here in but I'm also not really. No, I'm just I thought it'd be good. So I do a few wee ones now. Where is it? There's this one coming. Oh yes. So I guess how come actually Johnny Cash or Fair was on in Mass on Johnny. Sorry voor gedu ik wie is een tisch geteetje gedu na hun zijn haventje nach children me gei Ob i mo grans no waien again Har dog a hun kul bannekin Die schinig schies mön an dag ich Zem dochus rische kubin Snart tror jag vi tjien gukri Men alles tu is en kahigere Sen strøfo jeg skulle lysen i Fia farvel av en age blad Jeg les i hen van kjetje En keine mi hen Nach min je rein mi guje geta Riduna hei Is rischen tages fye soa Sorry vuan gedu ik fikei Sandish geteetje geduna hei nach children gei Ob i mo grans no waien again So, sin agad é sin ché dúich vi cui no Gaelic the North Country ma vi olché agus sin no rain Rody nu bhaid an a hengel géir a dyr an cóni vi get an hengel or in cuú facuir an aco agus an imig dói a Rody Masuringa fiachan vi cumóí brian nóran agus cujochí ni ialweins nóran ach bhuaim goim gehara be ge garochug be ge hast faroch surse gremochug it rút ach cujoch bei surse a visun de reine bei markeru sushi markeru Dylan irgien duifik well as ge toch so hatorian references hat gema geoch mar sin duifik kei came to in half 4 came to in half 4 years came to in half kind of well northwest on Drift Mackay country you know kind of so they get off from the Mackay country instead of get off the North country so that said yes so that was another Rody Gorman translation there the English that was of course get off the North country which Dylan does 2 versions of one of course with the Make Rage Me Cash and of course in Jew and that's the hashing Corachug we're here marking Bob Dylan's 80th birthday with some of the translations that are of his Gaelic thing. Roddy did I'm actually very happy to have a copy of it but there was a copy going around at one point of Roddy's versions of some of the Dylan songs. Some of the ones I don't actually know very well or ones that like as songs but some of them it's an exercise some of them are really really successful some of them are alright but always very indebted to Roddy for helping me with my own poetry and own writing and he's a brilliant guy really doing fear really gas there noch as just host knock so but it's a really interesting exercise getting into that and I think actually that's why we got paired up because I like Edgar Hing I like songs you'll know I've got my I've got my Landslide Fleetwood Mac one Stevie Nicks. No, I'm a Gamaji over Bob Dylan, so time work Rody or some could you in the stage intro could you in the Horan X and trying to show so can you is it Hami Shishusha Vivici so with me and Dylan I think about Dylan is like he genuinely can write some songs which are like better than and he just doesn't put them on just amazing songs and he just doesn't put them on he doesn't just put them onto albums. So I think it'd be good to have some of these Dylan covers done by some seriously good artists. If anybody's joining in, talking about obviously Alistair McLean being the best musician I know. How many taring acid Jules. But no, I had Snog Kitchen the Clarion show, but Shaw Fairley, Blind Willie McTell, fair. I'm trying to remember how this goes. I think I do. I know this one pretty well, but it's got a bar chord and then it goes off my head. And I need to kind of hash it. And the famous one about this one was Dylan wrote this song and just didn't put it on an album, and then Beyond His Chance just appeared years after that. It's incredible. It's Blind Willie McTell. It's pretty much state of America, but it's just incredible. But so man, we can have Rody Gorman just Eva and Gaelic some Shinnecoon and Caelan and Crew album. Also uses Gaelic imagery to capture the spirit of the Dylan song. And also keeping the rhyme scheme, but gives it its own things. But this is Blind Willie McTell. But now I can't remember. Can you remember Below Keenchalk? Did I change it to Ian Dow? There was I can't remember. I changed this to Blind Willie McTell's obviously a famous blues singer, but I changed it to Ian Lime Donald. I think I did, or I can't remember. Or if Roddy had Ian Donald. But anyway, I think I tweaked a couple things in this. That was all. Just sort of because I thought it ran a bit better. But anyway, cool. So what I'll do is I'll do a wee bit of Blind Willie McTell again. The ears touching the corner. You're not here to hear me. You're not here. Well, you're not here to hear me sing either. She's Sannes in the Dorsen, Agent Cheer Sean Liggelreach, Fatne Schlieve on a Look, no, start again. Okay. Just na Sannes in the Dorsen, Agent Cheer Sean Liggelreach, Fatne Schlieve on a Guru Heroin, Galami as a Gaeltalk, the huge the fear mushach, scanner rank ding yet down the eve my Uyen loud down oh garig me and killers Nurgal with Kachnan ta Gigs and Hishjoch the rain when you done leave my alone down the walk. Oh, fear and do you nature is no occurrence in time. In dream nach Jack food is the Var een babish wie Wie heb kuyet maken menjek Het hunjaks en tajast Skadering dun je dan je dier Maar je naam dan Anyway, since you hear like, oh, had that, geez, I guess it come up all. There's 2 years carrying on with this, that's by William McTail as the Gaelic. Just a classic Bob Rody, and it's a cracker. I like it, a good one. But Jin Horan Bob Charlings well Svirholm Svirholm Hulka. I mean Gmaggio in fair as Ure rough and ready ways but Thor Maggie and Gahara murder most foul. Toch is enorm as Adja Hulturie by Schachman and Giog High Homas. I mean in Kenneth toch die Wurst on Dallas I guess an Russian just did a stage for myself. Agus an Ocean ring me a shelter from the storm Carai and in a dark eyes see home shin time amount at fad really can't wait lovesick cool cameras in a tor jiffer oren ha giro ingenhoch an an Dylan I just like kunnen goed heugach. En ook Ryan Sheenje Chief on DPK, Girls from North Country, on more chart Susan Crockfara, against playing William McTail. Gee, I'm not very you know, I shouldn't go there. I don't know if that is. Maybe you don't want to hear anymore. But I playing William McTail, so shouldn't. But rid me thought a gunig cruising nog. I guess shot fair around me heen. I guess here she shots a rarity ille a hound. Fair around Bob. Your son after kind of just kind of film they call him Farrell, can't even remember. I can't remember what the name of the film's called. But your total you know not very famous film around it. I guess I mean infinite character, but I guess just haven't found herself so. You know what did J.R. Christinger day? Oh, he's probably got a sore hole from everybody. I'm assuming his ear hole from everybody telling him happy birthday. But anyway, can you Shawshinya and Jew and may as well come in Ireland, didn't you? And there we go. There you go. There you go. Make people think it's him. But that's it. So Shinagad Bob, I guess. But you know done yet? Okay, if you could, you don't know you should do. Shouldn't Bob. This show found Huck's tune as a Gaelic. I guess it's me hanging around in the Hinger show, but me the time you Rody Gorman I get er eigentlich urbest Jahren Dylan Gaelic joke I guess maar we heen keer Jahren in Janu just yeah for the thing I can imagine it's good to do a bit of translation in Gaelic so. Van, tro hasach van, is voert me maar gele van. Och waai hem waai, is me een glage baas, a koshok en John, geborig. Ha keuren nog op, lang alle lunch, over me rood op jarig heen. Op jarlem heen en tor, was hem jou het de volk. Sing de husjes zandreich Gaf wijn en trash Daar een kanjien kach Steun at de grug och gaun An de hiesjes na haast A tjing an a fak Bij me heen treke dagel laun Kulgach krug Ever gaan het gul Han au in hoop down, a how count you to food. Oh, sing of the hush, yes, on trash. Shall I give a hayach, they go to now. Shall I give the doom, you pain. gal ó na cáistin an stial gach erigid gach ó is gach sé am siad an traig ceann na bhai go dóil a gach garí ó bhómach ceann go mahal hau gam legal chun lá séim rud a chu sias an tréis Éar na gúdig bhí am ó hainneamh smuoin na cheann Haví dal í cará na tín Ha nádan an buag a tarst buai ar má nuag Póga bor an nuag í tín Nuair me gúil cailt Rús na stair Nuair a bhana sian tan na ré Ó ha bladar a mís Ó mlis ní mí Ségan bod a chur sias an tréis Gútaine croich Halagach troich Ham o chréidir cho fuair hís an uai Gach casar an trí ó haniel fianna sé dhí sé bríomh go me sé brí gluan Súga mí lúteach wet súni sin cúteach Hanne fianna má bhí ar an hí Chluchí mianta na bál ach an gime éir chal Ségan lód a chur sias an tréis Ó chluchí mianta na bál ach an gime éir chal Ségan lód a chur sias an tréis Sin agad é, so méal den éach Bob, méal bhur néal, céad fiche bliana gúis Bob Dylan sin pigin Bob Dylan is a Gaelic agus ha mi dochas gon de chortin raibh or nu ma haucéidir asio dochas dúlich Chan mítir, well, ha mi stochan na siadir sein ha Bob, but ha Bob just gon so míle thank Bob Dylan Eiche bha agus horinara ar a bhéin, cheers and dust